test, and it was talking about weather patterns. Do you guys remember that question? It said, do you think there are weather patterns?
Yes.
Right, and some of you that said yes, why did you think there are weather patterns? What makes you think there are weather patterns, Blair?
Because, Hannah, because we need to go out and do this.
Ariana, you just quietly go up to that person and talk to just them and not interrupt everything. Okay.
Blair, continue.
Because every single time it happens, there's like they all get the same amount because they come by every single year.
Okay, so you're saying that every year the weather is about the same at that time of year? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like
What about with like weekly weather patterns? What about like just in 1 week? Aria, what do you see? It changes, but does it change like a lot?
Yes.
Not always.
No.
Madison?
Sometimes it's yellow and blue.
What's yellow and blue?
Sky.
Okay, what about last week when we were coloring in the front of our weather journals? Blair, voices up. What did you see that was very similar through the week? Xander, you're turned all the way around, bud. I'm up here. Miles?
It was sunny it started on Tuesday.
Yeah, so it was sunny. It was sunny about 3 days last week. Do you think that that's a pattern?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a pattern in our weather. Because the first 2 days it was kind of cloudy and rainy, and then it was sunny, sunny, sunny. Does that make a pattern?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was cloudy, cloudy, and then it was sunny, sunny, sunny. And this week it's supposed to be sunny, 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 sunny. Is that a pattern? Yeah, it's supposed to be nice all week. Okay? So we're going to real quick just read this short story about weather patterns. Okay. It says, what are weather patterns? A weather pattern occurs when the weather stays the same for days or weeks at a time. Some common weather patterns include hot and dry weather, wet and rainy weather, and cold weather. A common weather pattern is that the mornings are usually cooler than the afternoons in every season. As the day progresses, the temperature rises. This is not always true, but it sometimes is. So do you remember in our weather journals that we did last week how we were recording the temperature in the morning and the temperature in the afternoon? Yeah, and did anybody notice that in the mornings it was usually a little bit colder than it was in the afternoons? Blair, I'm up here. Okay, so it was usually a little colder in the mornings than it was in the afternoons. I need voices off, friends. Okay. All right, so when you get back to your seats, I need you to get out your weather journal that we did last week, and then wait for instructions, okay? So go get your weather journal out, and then wait for instructions, and then get back to your seats. Out a paper to you. I want you to write your first and last name on it and then just wait. So you should have this paper out right now. I'm going to come around and pass out some more papers to you. Just write your name on it. And then wait. Voices are still off. Okay, friends. Do you get your first and last name written on your paper? If you have not yet, you need to get your first and last name written. Friends, voices are off. Okay, the very first one says there were blank sunny days. So there were how many sunny days? So we need to go back and look at our weather journal and count how many sunny days we had last week.
3.
3. We had 1, 2, 3 sunny days. So go back to this paper and fill in the number 3. So it says there were 3 sunny days. Okay? Like that. Just like mine up here. Then it says there were blank cloudy days. So we go back to our weather journal. How many cloudy days did we have? Aria? 1. We had 1 cloudy day. So on the second line, we'll just write the number 1. Okay? And then on number 3 here, it says there were blank rainy days. So go back and look at your weather journal from last week. Raise your hand. Tell me, how many rainy days did we have last week, Charlie?
1.
1. We had 1 rainy day. So we're going to fill in the number 1 on our third line. Okay, on the fourth line it says there were blank snowy days. Well, how many snowy days did we have last week? Raise your hand, please. River?
0.
0. We had 0 snowy days last week. So we can just fill in the number 0. 0. Voices are off. Okay, the next one says, the next one says there were blank windy days. How many windy days did we have last week? Kinsley?
0.
0. We didn't have any windy days last week. So we can fill in the number 0. Okay, the last line says there were blank stormy days. How many stormy days did we have last week?
0.
Raise your hand. Miles? 0. We had 0 stormy days. So we can fill in 0 on our last line too.
These are really hard to get in.
Friends, should we be talking right now? are off. Okay, you're gonna pick up your paper then, and you're gonna flip up to the next page, okay? So you should be looking at this page with a little boy. Okay, on this one, it has these down here for us to cut out in blue, but to save time, we're just gonna color our own pictures. And Madison, please sit in your chair. Okay. So this one says, there were more blank days than blank days. So looking back at our weather journal again, what do you notice? There were more what days than what days? What can you tell me? Ariana? There were more sunny days than what? There were more sunny days than cloudy days. There were more sunny days than cloudy days. Okay, so we'll draw in the first one. Ariana told us that there were more sunny days than cloudy days. So in the first one, you can draw a nice picture of a sun. There are more sunny days than cloudy days. Draw a picture of a cloud. Okay, what's something else that you noticed that there were more days of than another type of day? Blair? Look at your weather journal.
There is more sunny days than snowy days.
Yeah, there were more sunny days than snowy days, because how many snowy days did we have last week? 0. Okay, so Blair's right. There were more sunny days than snowy days. We can draw a picture of a cloud and draw some snowflakes underneath it.
A sun again.
Well, this one isn't just a cloud. This one is a cloud with snow under it.
Wow, I know how to draw snowflakes.
Okay, looking at our weather journal again. Who can tell me something else besides sunny days? Who can use a different one? Madison?
There's more cloudy days than stormy days.
Yeah, there were more cloudy days than stormy days, because did we have any stormy days last week?
No.
Did we have a cloudy day though?
Yep.
Yeah, we did. We did, Caleb, if you look at your weather journal. So there were more cloudy days than stormy days.
Wow, I don't like stormy. I like stormy.
There were more cloudy days than stormy days. Okay, who can share one more? One random share idea. Charlie?
there were more rainy days than sunny days.
Were there more rainy days than sunny days, friends?
No.
No, there weren't more rainy days. Okay, can someone help Charlie out? Miles?
There were more rainy days than snow days.
There were more rainy days than snow days. Because did we have a snow day at all last week? No. But we had one day where it rained. So there was more rainy days than snowy days. Okay? Okay, when you finish drawing all of your pictures, every single one of your boxes on this page should have a picture in it. So if it doesn't, you need to fix it to look like mine. When you're done with that, you can flip to the last page and wait for it to finish. Okay, put your pencil on your head once you're ready for the last page so I know that you're ready to go. Put your pencil on your head when you're on the last page so I know you're ready to go. Pencil on your head. Creed, pencil on your head. Mariana, Mora. Okay, it looks like everybody's ready. Okay, so on this page, it says, what patterns did you notice with the weather? Okay, so what were some patterns that you noticed with the weather? Raise your hand, please. Grayson. What was the pattern? Yeah, so it was sunny 3 days last week, right? Was that the majority of our week? It was sunny? Yeah. What's another pattern, Madison? So it was it, how many days was it cloudy and rainy last week?
1.
How many days was it cloudy and rainy?
0. 0. 2.
2. It was rainy one day, and then it was cloudy and rainy one day, and then the next day it was just cloudy, right? So that would be 2 days. And then how many days was it sunny?
0.
3. Caleb, if your hand is not raised, you cannot answer, please. Okay, Blair, do you have another pattern you wanted to share? Okay.
There was 2 cloudy days, and then there was 3 more after the 2 cloudy days.
What did someone notice about our morning and afternoon temperatures? Did someone notice something about that? Miles?
One of them.
There was a lot of the times there was
This doesn't see it.
30 degrees.
What about, which, was it colder in the mornings or in the afternoons most of the time?
Morning. In the morning.
Mornings. In the mornings it was usually colder. Is that a pattern? Yeah, that's a weather pattern, okay? So any of those ideas that we just went over, or any other pattern that you can think of, Caleb, voices are off, I'm speaking. Ariana, go back to your desk. Okay, so it says, what patterns did you notice with the weather? So you're gonna draw a picture of, Madison, please sit up. You're gonna draw a picture of the pattern that you noticed, and then you're gonna write one sentence telling what that pattern was, okay? Does anybody have any questions?
You.
Blair, do you have a question about what you're supposed to be doing?
Do we write our first last name?
Not if you wrote it on the very first page. Okay, you may begin.
The little pigs.
you don't know what you're supposed to do, just ask if there were any questions. Write a picture of a weather pattern that you noticed from last week and write a sentence. Yes. Friends, when I ask if there's any questions before we get started, that's a really good time to ask me to repeat the instructions. So everybody put your pencils down and look up here so I don't have to explain it anymore. Okay, so it says, what patterns did you notice with the weather?
This one.
And then we just had some friends raise their hands and tell us some of the patterns that they noticed from last week. So you're going to draw a picture of one of those patterns from last week's weather, and then you're going to write one sentence saying what the pattern is, okay? Are there any questions?